Mask an image in text.
Today, I'll show you how to mask an image within text using Adobe Illustrator. See how to make a clipping mask very quickly and easily. Don't forget to subscribe for more Illustrator tips and tutorials.
Welcome to HLGRAPHICS.
Let's conquer the new world of graphics.
Let's move on to our current topic, clipping masks. First of all, we will take a font. Our font should be thick enough so that when you see the image clearly, you will understand the work easily. The font name is Proficiency 9. Look where the arrow is going.
This font is not only wide, but also very beautiful, and when we combine the image with it, you can see how beautiful the result looks. I have downloaded this font from DaFont, which is absolutely free. 100% commercial free font. It's easy to download. I make sure to tell you about fonts in every tutorial I do and use mostly free fonts. First of all, create font outlines and then click on Group. This way all letters will be separated. We will work on all the letters separately. First we take the letter M, select it and go to Object. From there we will go to Compound Path and click on Make. Similarly, we will do this process with all letters. If you want, you can do this process all at once with the whole word, but I am doing it separately here and will show you separately clipping masks. Clipping mask is a very beautiful process and very easy to. You must practice it. Here I have chosen a very beautiful and very colorful texture, which I will place above the letter M. Then right-click with the mouse and check the Arrange button and send to back.
Now take a copy of this texture and keep it aside,
because we have to apply this texture to other alphabets as well. Now, with the help of the Selection tool, we will combine the letter M and the texture. You will click on the object and go down. Look at the very bottom, there is a clipping mask written. Click on Make. Take your great texture, it has been uploaded to letter M. How beautiful it looks. Now we're going to make another copy of that texture and place it under letra. But now we're going to do another method of clipping mask. For that we're going to right-click the mouse and there's an option Clipping Mouse. K and click that. Do it, it has become easier. Now do the same process with letter S and letter K and make clipping mask to them as well. Thus your entire word is ready. Let me know how you like it. It will be very beautiful. You can use any other texture as long as its quality is very good and high resolution. This clipping mask will look even more beautiful when we make its background black. See how it looks for you. One of my purposes for making the background black is to show you that our texture and our text are separate in the clipping mask and we can separate them whenever we want. Let me zoom in on the letter M. Look, I've made it big enough. Now we can use the Direct Selection tool to move its texture. Looks good. You can set this texture there and change it whenever you want. Please let me know how you like my work in the description box below, and if you understand and like my work, please subscribe to my channel. Now let's move on.
Now I am repeating the same process again. I have taken the word mask, we will create outline it then and group it, and in the same way all the letters will go to compound path separately and click on Make.
I have repeated this process again because here I will now show you all the alphabets with separate images and clipping masks. So now you will see it will look more beautiful than before. I have collected for different images for this, check them out, very colorful and bright colors that you will definitely like. Now we'll take the first image and combine it with the letter M to make a clipping mask, just like we did earlier. The same process we will do with letter M, we will do with letter A, we will do with letter S, and the same with letter K, but the only difference here is that the images are different for everyone. Look how beautiful it looks. Yes, you can do it this way too. I will be waiting for your reply. Please leave a comment so I can make more good videos for you. Now see how beautiful this design will look on a t-shirt. Prepare a presentation of this design there. I have also prepared. How do you like it?